Hello, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint training. In today's video, we are going to be talking about PowerPoint slides layouts. Now, for you as a beginner that is trying to create a presentation, you need to understand that the PowerPoint presents us with layouts. Now, layouts are great ways of creating structures for our presentation. So for PowerPoint presentation, the first thing is it requires planning. Are you going to be putting pictures in your file, in your presentation? Are you going to be putting videos? What are the pattern of text and all those things? So the planning is what will now make you to create your structure. So now, if you look at this particular, the default slide that comes to you is the title slide. Okay, so this title slide is where you put your title. Okay, your title, the title of your presentation, and then the subtitle. The subtitle in this case may be a subtitle to your presentation title, or maybe your name, something like by so and so. So now, once the first slide is done, you right click on the left side, and then you will see new slide. So the second slide that comes, default slide, is called the title and content. So this is title side, and this is the content. So it's called title and content. So what it means is that you put the title, so something like Introduction to PowerPoint is a title. So maybe this one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Maybe that's the main title. Maybe the subtitle is Understanding Presentation in PowerPoint. So maybe that's the subtitle. So here you now have Introduction to PowerPoint, and then here we are going to talk about the details. Okay. All right. So when you are done with this, so let's say you want to create a new slide. When you click new slide, you see that it's giving you the same pattern. But what if what you have in mind is different? You want a situation whereby you can put a picture on one side and another thing. So you can right click on this and change the layout. So you can change the layout to two content, for instance. So two content means there's going to be a title here, and you probably want to have an image here. So you put any image that resonates with your task. So maybe an image here. And then you can put another thing here. Maybe here you are putting a chart, maybe for whatever task you are doing. So you see that this one is two content. So it takes both the picture that you wanted to add and the image and then their title. You can also use it for, let me say, new slide. So duplicate. No, this is duplicate. I actually duplicated it. So I don't want to duplicate. I want a new slide. So now this new slide is going to work on the previous one. So here you can also have text. You can have text. You can have your text and then the common title for the text. Okay? So that is two content. So it's either you are using it to hold objects like picture, image, or video, or you are using it for text. Okay? And their title, the common title. So now if I create a new slide, it comes with two contents. So I can change the layout. I can change the layout to maybe comparison. So if I choose comparison, so I can say advantage of using PowerPoint. I can say disadvantage. Anything you want to put there is suitable, but it's more or less like trying to compare two things that have a common title. So let's say here is comparing PowerPoint with let's say Google slide. Okay, Google presentation or something. So let's say Google presentation. So here, so you can talk about PowerPoint. Then you can talk about Google presentation. So you see that with this comparison layout, you are given the opportunity to show the common title, which is comparing PowerPoint and Google presentation. Then for the information you want to provide on PowerPoint, you have the title and the text. For the information you want to provide on Google presentation, you have the title and the text. So working with layouts is a way of planning the structure of your presentation. You can also do this before you even start putting text. So you can plan the layout just to be sure that you know what you are putting. So this one is title only. Maybe this is strategic for putting an information, something like maybe intermission, and then so I can choose that design. I love that. Okay, so now I can create a new slide again. Then it comes with the same layout that I left it with. Then I can just choose layout and change it to maybe content with caption. So you have quite a lot of layouts that you can use in Microsoft PowerPoint as part of the planning process for your presentation, because it's quite important that you plan your presentations very well, before you start putting all the details. All right, so this is how to set up layouts, working on the structure of your PowerPoint presentation. So see you in another session when we'll be looking at other subject matter. Bye for now.